A homeowner of Mannings Hill Road in St. Andrew is crying foul as he says a commercial operation in the community has been making life hell for his family. The resident insists that the operation is not only a breach but a nuisance and is calling on the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation to intervene.
From a distance, it looks like residential property, fitting in with other homes on Mannings Avenue in St. Andrew. However, it's understood that this house has been conducting commercial business over the past 2 decades, much to the annoyance of the neighbors.
That business have several businesses such as car wash, bike shop, hairdressing salon, bar.
A neighbor who did not want to be identified brought the matter to our newsroom, insisting that in addition to operational breaches, he has been forced to contend with varying categories of nuisances.
It's not been approved by the KSAMC or the NEPA. This business carries a lot of nuisances with noise which coming from the machine. When the car them come to wash, they turned up loud musics. With the tipping of the bike, the revving of the bike, that cause us to not even our television in our home.
He says those issues escalated as the number of business operations increased. The excessive use of water for the car wash started impacting his property.
They have a pit that built on the wall, which used to bring some pit on the wall that was too close, which used to bring water on the property. Spoke to them over and over. However, in 2016, it got worsening. However, in 2016, it got worse, where a lot of water coming from off said premises onto our property.
Insisting that this has been going on since 2005, he showed us several letters addressed to varying bodies, including the National Environmental and Planning Agency NEPA and the then Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation. Last week, TVJ News contacted the KSAMC CEO Robert Hill, who said he would have to check the records before commenting. There has been no response as yet. In the meantime, this resident says he wants only one thing.
I would like the KSAC to act instant. I would like the KSAC to have this business removed to a different location out of the residential area, so I can have a peace of mind, me and my family, as I live with 2 elderlies, 76 years old and 73 years old, who have duress, cannot sleep.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.